below the normal amount of 0.6 inches for April. The total snowfall since July 1st still The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, northern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 5:45 a.m. At 5 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blanchardville, or 12 miles northeast of Darlington, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include western Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Verona, Oregon, Mount Horeb, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Argyle, Blanchardville, Wheaton, Blue Mounds, Dayton, Waldwick, Fayette, Lamont, and Allendale. This includes the following location: York Memorial Church. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe